I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a Wile E Coyote. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass, and then we're going to do equal parts of the following: dark rum, banana liqueur, and blackberry brandy. So we're going to do about 3/4 of an ounce of dark rum, just like so, and then 3/4 of an ounce of banana liqueur, and 3/4 of an ounce of blackberry brandy. Yum, yum, yum. All right. Then we're going to add in equal parts pineapple juice and cranberry juice, about 2 ounces of each. There's your pineapple and your cranberry. All right. Go ahead and shake that up. And we're going to serve this in a highball glass. There we go. Go ahead and pour that into your highball glass. Add in a stirry straw. And if you would like to, you can also garnish this with a maraschino cherry. And there you have it, a Wile E Coyote. Cheers.